And Immaculate Conception will meet many-time champions Knox College in the ISSA All-Ireland High School Girls Volleyball Championship, while Papine will face defending champions Bessa for the boys' title. Immaculate Conception won their first ever title in volleyball by beating many-time champions Wolmer's Girls by 3-1 in the final of the Urban Area Championship at the Mona Bowl on Friday. Immaculate started slowly and Wolmer's capitalized to take the first set 25-18. Immaculate then surged to take the second set 25-11. Wolmer's then lost composure in the face of consistent service and defense from Immaculate and went on to lose the next two sets 25-15, 25-13.
We came to the final last year. We were outplayed by Campion, unfortunately, but we told ourselves that we want to get back to this stage and we want to show that we deserve a title. And the girls did just that. Despite losing a good amount of players, we came back, we reset, because that's been our mantra since the past week or so. And we just stuck to the game plan. We trained over the week leading up to the final, just dissecting how we can play with us, how we can play to our strengths, and just play overall as a team.
Meanwhile, in the boys category, defending champions in the urban area, Papine beat Wolmer's by 3-1 to get a shot at Bessa in the All-Ireland Championship. Wolmer's won the first set, but Papine were relentless with power service and hitting. They eventually prevailed 19-25, 25-19, 25-11, 25-21.
For a fact that these two teams that have been dominated throughout the season, so we had expected this, and our boys came today and they delivered. We had a conversation this morning and we knew that it all came down to the team. We wanted it more and the team was more composed. They have a lot more talented players, so based on what we have been training for, we had to adapt to that today, and we just put our best foot forward and we came up victorious.
The All-Ireland finals will take place at GC Foster College on Wednesday.